So guys, have you ever wondered how you can make a star just using a rubber band? A plain rubber band. Okay, of course, the supplies you need are rubber band. So, once you got your rubber band, between your first and second fingers, this is my point of view. Put this view. Put your second finger below that part. And you see this part under your hand. Take it. And then grab it. It should look kind of something like this. Twist this. Now, you see a hole when you twist it. So put your pinky in that hole you twisted. Now, what should it look like? A basic triangle. Here's the hard part. Put your second finger in this hole. It's like put it in this hole, then grab this part, put it under, so like put it here, grab it and put it back of where you left off. Now do the same. Now for the third finger, put this part and then grab that part. Then take it out, then you can make this. So do you want to see what the double star looks like? Okay, man, wait for me just for a few minutes. Actually, you can see me do the double star. This is not in faster speed. Just in normal speed. I'm just so good. Okay, I forgot the last step. Oh, no, I remember. No, this. Oh. Okay, you have to wait. Really. I know you want to see what the double star looks like. But it's just hard to make double star. Aha, we got it. I think I can show you how to make it next video. Sorry guys, not this video. Bye bye.